carrying the weight of all I've been. My broken pieces in your light are gently held, not judged within. You see the nights I couldn't breathe, you see the battles no one knows, yet still you whisper tenderly, my child, come home, I will restore. The gratitude that breaks the heart open, you restore my soul. When I fall in love, your mercy like a river, washing over every wound. You restore my soul, you make shattered places whole. Oh, shepherd of my heart, all I am is yours. Forever grateful for your love. A God who never turns away. I've walked through valleys cold with fear, I've run from love that stayed so near. But every time I lose my way, your grace is still the voice I hear. You gather all my scattered thoughts, you calm the storms inside my chest, and in the quiet of your arms my weary spirit finds its rest. A whisper of surrender. Here I am, just as I am. No walls, no pride, no hiding place. Take my heart, rewrite my days, lead me deeper into grace. You restore my soul when I fall in love. Your mercy like a river, healing wounds I never showed. You restore my soul, every broken part you know. Oh, shepherd of my heart, all I am is yours. Forever grateful for your love. I am not forgotten, I am not alone. You call me your beloved, you name me as your own. Every tear I've carried, you turn to gentle gold. In every breath I'm learning, your love has made me whole. You restore my soul, you restore my soul. In your hands my heart is resting, in your love I'm finally home. You restore my soul, every story you make whole. Oh, shepherd of my heart, forever I am yours. Forever grateful for your love.